Question 1. Which of the tools listed below would be used for testing power supply voltage output? A. Torx screwdriver. B. Toner and probe kit. C. Loopback plug. D. Multimeter. The correct answer is D. Multimeter. Question 2. While troubleshooting problems with a network interface card, NIC, connector pins on the NIC's port can be tested with the use of A. Postcard. B. Cable tester. C. Multimeter. D. Loopback plug. The correct answer is D. Loopback plug. Question 3. Which of the following tools would be used for locating a cable in a cabling bundle or tracing individual wires in a cable? A. Spectrum analyzer. B. Toner and probe kit. C. Time-Domain Reflectometer, TDR. D. Multimeter. The correct answer is B. Toner and probe kit. Question 4. A type of diagnostic tool that allows to measure signal strength in fiber optic cabling is called A. Light meter. B. Tone generator. C. Multimeter. D. Loopback adapter. The correct answer is A. Light meter. Question 5. Optical Time-Domain Reflectometer, OTDR, is a type of specialized cable tester that allows for locating faults and breaks in fiber optic cabling. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 6. What is the function of a time-domain reflectometer, TDR? A. Finding breaks in copper network cables. B. Locating the beginning and the end of a cable in a cabling bundle. C. Checking network installation for compliance with TIA or ISO standards. D. Finding breaks in fiber optic network cables. The correct answer is A. Finding breaks in copper network cables. Question 7. Which of the tools listed below is used for attaching wires to a patch panel? A. Cable crimper. B. Punch down tool. C. Cable stripper. D. Needle nose pliers. The correct answer is B. Punch down tool. Question 8. A type of tool used for verifying correct electrical connections of wires in a cable is known as A. Loopback plug. B. Tone generator. C. Cable tester. D. Multimeter. The correct answer is C. Cable tester. Question 9. Which of the tools listed below would be used for attaching RJ45 connectors to a twisted pair Ethernet cable? A. Cable tester. B. Needle nose pliers. C. Punch down tool. D. Crimper. The correct answer is D. Crimper. Question 10. The very last step of the troubleshooting process involves documenting findings, actions, and outcomes. This step comes after verification of full system functionality and implementation of applicable preventive measures. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 11. According to the troubleshooting theory, verification of full system functionality and implementation of applicable preventative measures should be performed. A. After documenting findings, actions, and outcomes. B. As the first step of the troubleshooting process. C. After implementing the solution. D. As the last step of the troubleshooting process. The correct answer is C. After implementing the solution. Question 12. Once a plan of action to resolve a problem has been established, the next step in the troubleshooting methodology process is to A. Conduct research based on symptoms. B. Test the theory to determine problem cause. C. Implement the solution. D. Establish a theory of probable cause of the problem. The correct answer is C. Implement the solution. Question 13. Once the theory of probable cause of the problem has been established, the next troubleshooting step should be A. Verifying full system functionality. B. Testing the theory to determine the problem cause. C. Implementing the solution. D. Establishing a plan of action to resolve the problem. The correct answer is B. Testing the theory to determine the problem cause. Question 14. Establishing a theory of probable cause of the problem is a troubleshooting step that, apart from conducting research based on symptoms, may also involve asking for assistance of a more experienced tech. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question 15. Which of the following actions should be the first step in the troubleshooting process? A. Establishing a theory of probable cause of the problem. B. Conducting external or internal research based on problem symptoms. C. Identifying the problem. D. Establishing a plan of action to resolve the problem. The correct answer is C. Identifying the problem. Question 16. Penetration testing, select all that apply. A. Bypasses security controls. B. Only identifies lack of security controls. C. Actively tests security controls. D. Exploits vulnerabilities. E. Passively tests security controls. The correct answers are A. Bypasses security controls. C. Actively tests security controls. D. Exploits vulnerabilities. Question 17. A monitored host holding no valuable data specifically designed to detect unauthorized access attempts and divert attackers' attention from the actual corporate network is known as A. Captive portal. B. HoneyNet. C. UTM appliance. D. honeypot. The correct answer is D. honeypot. Question 18. The term DHCP snooping refers to an exploit that enables operation of a rogue DHCP network server. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Question 19. In STP network topology, the term root guard refers to a security mechanism designed to protect integrity of the designated main switch. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 20. Which of the answers listed below refers to a special type of frame used by STPs? A. MTU. B. Jumbo frame. C. BPDU. D. ATM cell. The correct answer is C. BPDU. Question 21. What is the name of a security mechanism that protects a network switch against populating its MAC table with invalid source addresses? A. BPDU guard. B. UTM. C. flood guard. D. root guard. The correct answer is C. flood guard. Question 22. Spanning tree protocol, STP, provides protection against A. DNS poisoning. B. Switching loops. C. VLAN hopping. D. Replay attacks. The correct answer is B. Switching loops. Question 23. Which of the following connector types are used for RS-232 serial communications? Select two answers. A to 9. B. RG59. C. RJ45. D. DB25. E. RG6. F. RJ11. The correct answers are A to 9. D. DB25. Question 24. Which of the answers listed below refer to the RJ11 connector? Select two answers. A. Used with telephone cabling. B. Copper cabling connector. C. Used with Ethernet network cabling. D. Fiber-optic cabling connector. E. Coaxial cabling connector. The correct answers are A. Used with telephone cabling. B. Copper cabling connector. Question 25. What are the characteristic features of the RJ45 connector? Select two answers. A. Used with telephone cabling. B. Coaxial cabling connector. C. Used with Ethernet network cabling. D. Copper cabling connector. E. Fiber-optic cabling connector. The correct answers are C. Used with Ethernet network cabling. D. Copper cabling connector.